Eh,
Yeah, we are live, we're live, we're live. So, good evening, good morning, good afternoon, whatever time now, whatever part of the country you are watching from. So, I am Joseph Godwin. I'm a forex trader and also I'm a YouTuber. I ensure that I drop video here every new week. Yeah. So, if you are not subscribed to this channel, so I urge you or I plead for you to subscribe to this channel. You are definitely gonna enjoy it. Like you're gonna enjoy it. So here with me, I have my bro, my trading partner with me, Elijah. So his name is Elijah Elitrades. So he's gonna take us on psychology section to like he's gonna take us on risk management and also on psychology. Then we will I'll talk to you and then we'll wrap up everything together.
you are welcome. Thank you, my bro, for introducing me to the class.
Yeah, are you still with me?
Yeah, I'm here with you. I guess your network has is being
Yeah,
bad now.
sorry for that. Sorry for that. Please, sir, you can start.
Yeah, so how have you been then?
Yeah, I'm okay. I'm cool. So please, you wanted to just lay emphasis on risk management for us, like risk to reward, position sizing, and also talk a little bit on psychology.
All right, that's nice. I'll let's do it tonight. That's good.
Okay. Yeah. Seems it's not okay. Seems it's back. Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry, your network cut you off. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You want to go first? All right.
So how you have how your trading journey has been. So you really easy something that you will just come into the game for like just 1 month. You will just be cashing out big money. Yes, forex is a big business. Everybody know that, but alongside it is a consistency something. It is not something that you need to rush. It is just like business. So that is how the game is. Right now, we are going to talk about trading psychology. Let me see if I can share my screen. Gordon, are you here?
Yeah, I'm still with you. I'm still with you.
Yeah, I'm just looking for where I could share my screen so I could do some example. Okay, honestly, I can't really find that here, but do you have any
Okay,
option
you know what?
to so
You
I
know what?
can
Let's talk. Let's portray more on psychology then. since we can't, I think I can't share screen from my own side too. So let's buttress on psychology section then. Since we can't share screen, maybe some other time we'll talk about risk management. Maybe on our Zoom call, just make little talks on risk management. Let's talk about psychology for now. I think that will be fine.
Okay. So I would like to ask you some questions just because this is just a live section, you understand? So I will need someone that I can be interactive with.
Okay. And now, okay, let's okay. You know what? You know what we're gonna do? If you have any question, if you have any like to the viewers, if you have any question concerning risk management, no, concerning psychology, just drop it on the comment section. We are not sharing screen now because of technical issue. So if you have any question regarding psychology, just drop it on the comment section, and from there we will just tackle it together
Okay. There's there's
and
one part
enlighten us.
there's one part of
Eh?
trading aspect that comes with fear, which most traders know about. Understand? On trading psychology, we have fear, greed, and fear of missing out. All these things are all these things are behavior that most traders really experience while trading any kind of any kind of pay in the forex market. You understand? And all this fear come from lack of risk management, lack of understanding, lack of how am I going to put it? Lack of improper risk management. Can you hear me? Yeah.
If you can hear my voice, type one in the comment section. If you can hear my voice, type one in the comment section. Let me before I continue. If you can hear my voice, type one in the comment section. If you can hear my voice, type one in the comment section before I continue. If you can hear my voice, type one in the comment section. Can you hear my voice?
Yes, loud and clear. I can hear
Sorry,
you.
yeah, sorry guys. This is my first time going live on YouTube, so don't be annoyed. We'll try and figure out everything maybe on our next live class. So sorry guys. Now let me talk on psychology a little bit. Now psychology is basically divided into two major parts, which is fear and greed. Fear and greed. Now we all know what fear is all about, like the aspect of you not being able to take action on what you are supposed to do. And greediness is out like saying like try to take the full advantage of what the opportunity you are given to. That is what we mean by um fear and greed. So like let me make example of fear for you. Say for instance you've got an account of $100. Like with the account of $100 that you've gotten, maybe you see a nice trade setup. Maybe you place the first trade, you won. Maybe you are using 1 to 4 weeks to rewards. Like from that 1 to 4 weeks to reward, maybe your first trade was win, which is you reach $100 to get $40. Maybe From that, you gain overconfidence and you thereby increase your lot size. Instead of you to use apply the risk the same lot size you were using on the previous trade, you thereby go and use bigger lot size, and the account goes back to maybe something like you lost like $60 from the account, or maybe $100 from the account, and you now have $40 as your equity. Now, if you are not careful, here we come in. You get. So how you can basically tackle fear in trading. I don't want this video to be too long. So how you can basically tackle fear in trading is just for you to have a trading plan. What is trading plan? Trading plan basically consists of your strategy, your risk management, your money management. Now, strategy is what tells you when to buy and sell. You get. Risk management also tell you the amount of money you should risk per trade. So risk management tell you the amount of money you should risk per trade. You get. So these are the things psychology, or for you to be able to be at least one step closer to profitability, because trading psychology can basically hinder your success if you don't have good you get. If you don't have good risk management, or if you don't have good psychology. What is psychology? Psychology basically means your thinking process. So if you don't have good psychology, even if you have the best strategy in the world, you are still gonna fail. So the more you know that strategy is just 10% of the forest journey and psychology is almost 60% of the forest journey, the better it is for you. Because it is very important for you to have a good strategy, and it is also very important for you to have at least a good psychology, a good thinking. You should be able to overcome your fear. You get. You should be able to overcome your fear. And trading require you to act like robots when you are in on the trade, but act like human being. Pay close attention to what I'm about to say. Act like human being before you execute a trade. While the trade is already executed, act like robots. That is, you have to act like. Let me explain what I mean by act like human being. So you have to act like human being when your criteria are met. Just place the trade. So after placing that trade, robots don't have emotion, so you have to be neutral. So see that you wait for you just wait for the worst that could happen is for you to hit stop loss, and the bigger thing that could happen is for you to hit take profit. So you will act like a robot while the trade is being executed, and act like human being before the trade is being executed. That is how you can basically conquer the trading psychology aspect. And note again that I just said, like the way it is simple, like how I present it now, simple as it sounds now. Trust me, for you to practicalize it in reality, very, very, very hard. I'm never gonna lie. For you to practicalize it in human form, it's very, very hard, because if you are trading demo, you can't be able to at least you can't be able to master your psychology. But if you are trading live accounts, you can be able to at least your emotion is in check, like your let me see, your full emotion is connected to the account. So that is basically what you can do. Do you understand what I just said? It's very, very simple. Very, very simple. If you want to overcome trading psychology, or if you want to at least be up 80% to 90%, or let me say 70 to 80% in your trading psychology, act like robots, which is very hard. So what I want you guys to be doing now is just for you to try to be acting like robots when the trade is already being executed. That is that is the trick of what you can basically do for you to be able to overcome there, and also for you to be able to overcome greed. So it is very, very simple. But for you to practicalize it in reality, it's very hard. So with time, if you keep on doing it time after time, you will see that at least you are very, very, very much better than how it used to be. So I think that will be that for that one. Yeah. So Mr. Elijah, do you still have any other thing to say?
Yeah, you said everything perfectly. You said everything perfectly, and I also advise trader to just dey follow your advice. And based on risk management, I also advise trader to risk just 1% per trade, even if you're you are even if assuming you have a 10K account now and you are expected to be trading just 1% on the account, you understand, and you have just 5% total drawdown. So if you are risking 1% per trade and you have a losing streak of 3%, you have a losing streak of 3% drawdown. And the luckiest thing that will happen on that account is whenever you had whenever you win, you are going to recover all your lose back. Why? Because you are risking just 1%. You are following your trading plan. You are following your plan. You understand? Why you are risking that 1%. But if you are risking 1% here, you'll be risking 1.5 here. You are risking 2% on the other trade. You are over trading, which is going to kill your confidence and the way you are seeing trading. You're going to be seeing trading as if it is gambling. So I just still advise traders that are coming up, they should risk just 1% per trade, and they should not to be greedy, because there's money every day. There's money every day. Market is there 247, Monday to Friday. So the earlier the better we start doing the important thing, the better for us. So that is what I can say right now. And for the trading psychology, I don't believe you can master trading psychology in 10 years, because it is a lifetime something. Trading psychology is like the overall, the overall. You understand? So as I said, the earlier the better you start doing the most important thing, like having a trading journal, so you can document your trade, your losing trade, your wins, but most importantly, the losing part of it, so you can know your mistakes, all this kind of thing. You need to have a morning routine. You need to have a good strategy that you follow. Understand? If you are using my strategy or you are using Godwin's strategy, anyone, just stick to one strategy. Be risking 1% per trade, and I promise you, you are just going to be good within some few months. So that is it, and we don't want this class to be very long. So thank you, Godwin, for making me have the right
Yeah. Thank
countenance.
you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm very, 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 very much grateful. Thank you for honoring my request. So concerning what is for you to be a little bit better, that's what you can just do. Nobody is 100% sure. Like nobody has mastered his trading psychology according to what professional traders do say. You can't master your trading psychology 100%. It's not possible. But at least you are just trying to be good. It's just like you telling yourself that I don't commit any sin. No, which is bad. We all sin. So I don't want this class to be too long. Yes, I see a question. Someone want to ask question concerning so psychological level. So if you have any question, just drop it in the comment section. I will answer it now before we call it. before we call it a day. If you have any question, just drop it now and I will answer it before we call it a day.
Okay, I think someone is asking someone a question about psychological level. Are you not going to answer that?
Okay. Okay. So what's your question? Is it how to plot psychological level is your question, or you want to what exactly do you want to ask about psychological level? Please type it on the comment section. What do you want to ask? Is it how to plot the level
And
or the tools are used in plotting psychological level?
and if you put the pair too.
So what's your question? What's your question? If you are still on this live, tell me your question on psychological level. Is it how to plot it? So concerning how to plot psychological level, I think I've made tons of video regarding how to plot psychological level. So psychological level is basically round up number like you saying 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45. So according to the founder of psychological level, psychological level is tends to be like the levels in which hedge funds, banks, big traders wait or set their pending orders. That is when market go to certain level. Like say for instance, Bitcoin, they will say when market go to 64K, it should drop. When market go to 65K, it should drop. Or when market reach 50K, it should sink, it should start going up. So these are just the same thing that we bring into forex space, which is what which is what like how to which is what I bring into forex space, which is 10, 15, 20, 25. And if you could check my chart, I do plot them on my chart like 213 0000. I think I should make, because I've get series of people that are wanting to know about this psychological level. I think I should make a YouTube video on that. So don't worry, I don't want this live session to be too long. So don't worry, I will definitely make video on that. I want to know the tools used, and you want to know the tools and okay. Hey, don't worry. I'll definitely make video on that and post it on YouTube here. So thank you for joining this live section, and I really appreciate you guys for joining. And Mr. Elijah, thank you so much for honoring my request. I'm very very much grateful.
You're welcome. You're welcome, my bro.
All right, do you still have anything to say?
I think that will be all for now.
Okay, thank you so much. And please, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to my channel, and also subscribe to my trading partners channel too, which is Elijah's Forest Trade. I'm definitely gonna pin it on the description, on the comment section, for you to subscribe to his channel too. Like we are doing the same thing. It's just like you learn have any question, we are always here for you. So subscribe to my channel, like this video, subscribe to his channel too at Elijah Street. And thank you for watching, and bye for now guys. Peace out.